People in Orrick, Missouri still picking up after a tornado hit the town on Saturday. Shannon Halligan is live with an update on the cleanup.
Orrick is a small town of just around 800 people, and several of the people using these heavy equipment and clearing debris live here. The tornado didn't spare many from damage. We've seen a lot of people like Aaron Pig. His own home is missing walls, but he spent today helping others clean up. He and some high school friends chopped trees and cleared debris with donated equipment and donated time.
We're just doing it to help. No, insurance is paying. We won't see any of it. We just want to get people back to where they can use their homes.
And on 41 Action News at 5, hear from two cousins set to graduate from the school that they've gone to since preschool. Live in Orrick, Shannon Halligan, 41 Action News.
A state of emergency remains in effect in Orrick. The order allows state agencies to coordinate with cities to provide emergency services.